Now that's not enough. You also need some way to indicate to the user that the validation failed. And this is where the ErrorProvuder component comes in. The ErrorProvuder component, which is invisible at runtime unless some error occurs, makes form validation more intelligible. It provides a user interface indicating controls that haven't validated. You can specify an error description string. If the validation fails, the component displays a flashing icon next to the control whose validation failed. And if you hover the mouse on the icon, you'll display the error text for that error provider. Now, like all invisible components, the error provider resides in the form's tray area. It has a couple of interesting properties, like the blink style. We'll set to blink if different error, so it'll display if the validation fails. There's an icon property, so you can set the icon for the error provider as well. You need to call the setError method of the error provider to specify the error text that should be displayed. The icon won't display unless you pass some text. Otherwise, there really wasn't an error, was there? If you don't supply text, what error was there? Now, you got to remember, the error provider doesn't do anything about the error condition. All it does is simply display an icon with a message.